Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to style shapes in Lucidchart. Whether you're creating flowcharts, diagrams, or visual presentations, knowing how to customize your shapes will help you create professional-looking designs that stand out. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it to start creating a new document. This is where all your design projects begin in Lucidchart. After clicking Plus New, you'll see several options appear. From these options, select Lucidchart, then click on Blank Document. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with, allowing you to build your diagram from scratch without any preset templates. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Lucidchart loads your blank document. During this loading process, Lucidchart will suggest some recommended templates that might be useful for your project. If you don't want to use any of these suggested templates, simply close the template window and proceed with your blank canvas. With your blank canvas ready, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the flowchart section. Click on it to reveal a variety of shapes that you can use in your design. Browse through the options and select your preferred shapes. Once you've chosen a shape, simply drag it onto your canvas. This is where your diagram starts to take form. Now, click on the title name inside the flowchart shape. This allows you to edit the text, type in your preferred text to label your shape accordingly. Clear labeling is essential for making your flowcharts easy to understand and professional. Next, let's add some color to make your shapes more visually appealing. In the top toolbar, locate and click on Fill Color. A color palette will appear, giving you numerous options to choose from. Select your preferred color to fill your shape. This customization helps differentiate various elements in your flowchart. To further style your shape, click on Line Style in the top toolbar. A drop-down menu will appear with various line style options. Select your preferred line style from this menu. Whether you want solid lines, dashed lines, or dotted lines, this feature gives you the flexibility to match your design needs. If you want to add more shapes to your diagram, simply repeat these steps. Keep dragging shapes from the flowchart section, adding text, applying fill colors, and selecting line styles until your diagram is complete. The more shapes you style consistently, the more cohesive and professional your final design will look. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to style shapes in Lucidchart, giving you the tools to create polished, customized diagrams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.